brother just over here so smile like, oh, I'm tell you, bro.
Yeah. If I'm not a nigger, you're a nigger. That's fucking insane.
You see me good? Oh, go on, dog. You look like my brother, you know.
Appreciate it, dog. Bomba clap.
You turn your bed for the dog.
What's up, bro?
You forgot your bed, brother.
You said what?
You forgot your bed.
What?
Bulls now in the next NBA championship, you know. Bulls no good. Golden State, you hear that? Bulls now in the next chip. Shitty Bulls, bro. Golden State, nigga. Bullshit. Bullshit.
Bulls on top, bro.
Golden State, nigga. Steph Curry, bro. That's the way.
You got a point. Hey, bro, hope you have a blessed day, though.
Yo, wait, you know, dog. Yo, you know, your mother how much?
You said what?
Your mom's how much? Your mom? She how much? She don't want a Jamaican man, dog. Can I give you a little bit of a ramp with? I want a sister.
I'm not trying to make fun of you, but I can't understand what you're saying. Like, I don't understand.
We ain't we don't understand what I say, brother.
But I hope you have a blessed day, though.
No, bro, no, man. Like, listen. I want to breed them mother, say have a little, like a little brother run up on them with you, see me? Yeah,
I
dog.
can't understand you, bro.
That man's hell, that man with that beard guy.
Got the Abraham Lincoln bit.
That nigga Jamaica.
Two waste man, them, you know. Watch him.
They do not
Two waste man, them, you know. Watch him.
Jamaica.
My
Two
brother
waste
got
man, them.
Abraham
Man, which brother, bro?
Bumba clap,
No, can't bring a brother.
Bumba clap.
You that thing.
Yeah, you got the Abraham Lincoln.
Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Little shirt man. Somebody yanked on your shirt, my brother.
This nigga getting mad at hell. I don't know what to say, bro.
Bomba clad, man.
Bomba clad Rasta, man.
Assalamu alaikum, my brother. My brother.
Bomba clad.
You smoking the crack. You gonna get high, my friend.
Bomba clad.
Yeah, but you cool up, my dog. It high.
Me smoke ganja only.
You know about the ganja that look like a crack pin. What that look so you hold up your weed, sir. Hold up it. Where weed? Hold up your weed. That look like a crack pin here, but watch it. Watch it. And what that dog? Crack fiend. That they are cloud 100 now, you know.
Hey, what's good, bro?
Yo, so him have a glass. How go on? Him not blind. Him not have a glass. Whole show not have a glass and him not have a glass. How go on?
It's not home, but you'll do just fine.
Yes, sí, cuero se pone dentro.
Yeah, that blind.
Jamaica. Bomba clad.
Yo, watch you now. Me I teach you enough to see something here.
Chilling.
Yo, we are fuck with the same vibes, man. You see me?
Yo, you got different ways to wear it.
I don't even know, bro. I didn't even know if I tell you that.
That's the only way you wear it.
Yeah, cause it look good this way for me, you see me?
How'd you get yours so baggy, bro? Yours looks baggy.
I don't even know, my nigga. Like, my girlfriend, you feel me?
Is it real?
You mean my shit real? Nigga, look.
Is it?
Is it? It is, nigga. What you mean? What you trying to say?
Well, you in Jamaica?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, dog. So, yo, link me upon two moms and a girl over there can't give me, dog.
Bomba clad.
Yeah, but yeah, me need to order, dog. You see me?
What's good, man?
Bro?
You be in that jerk chicken?
Yeah, dog. Yo, give me a Philly now, bro. You know Philly?
Bro, get me in there, bro.
What?
I got money for a flight. Let me get to Jamaica.
No, you, brother. I'm not look, man, dog. I'm a
Bro,
girl.
come on, bro. I'll pay for it. I'll pay for
Yeah,
everything.
good, yeah, bro. You're
I'll
not,
pay for it. I'll pay
you're
for
not
everything,
girl.
bro.
I'm a moms. With the O's at, man. With the O's at. One girl, dog.
I got money
money, bro. Chill.
Yeah, nigga, we know you got funds, bro. We know you got money, nigga. Yeah, we know.
What you got? What you got?
Bro, I'm broke, nigga. I'm broke, nigga.
What car you got?
Fuck, I got no cars, nigga. I'm broke,
no car.
bro. I'm broke, my nigga. You know what it is, man.
You be going that Jamaican bus?
Yeah, dog. That's it. Skr. Yeah, dog. That's one of them days, bro. You don't make it to me, but got on time, man, bro. Baby.
Yo, let me see the tats.
Bro, it's fake, nigga. I got no money, bro. That's
Let me
why
see
I
the
just
tats, bro.
Bro, it's fake, nigga. I can't even show it up, bro. It's fake.
Those are fake.
Yeah, dog. I got
Those
no
are not
money.
fake. Those are not
I
fake.
got no money, nigga.
So you got money to get a tats, but you don't got money to get a car.
That's what I'm telling you, for. Bro, this shit cheap, nigga. What you talking about?
How much was it?
Like $1, bro.
Hell no.
Black market, nigga. Yo, dog.
Okay.
My dog.
So you're a nigga, right? I'm not.
So if I'm a nigga, y'all big.
So what
y'all
the fuck is
big,
going
y'all
on?
Biggie that nerd.
What's
you know what I'm saying?
happening? What's
Y'all
happening?
Biggie that nerd boy.
Because
Nerd bug.
if I'm not a nigger, and you're a nigger, that's fucking insane.
Bitch, shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. I'll knock the fuck out you. Damn, man. Hey.
So brother, you come and say, look for mine, can love man. Mommy, sound like a retarded. You sound retarded, bro. Nah, cap.
Bro, I thought it was funny.
Bro, man, you know to a bro, you. So we are two different. Nigga, you can't, you see me look better than you, dog. You understand? You.
I thought it was funny.
You sound like a bitch too. Nah, you sound like a bitch, bro. Big woman thing to that. You change your voice tone
My
and
bad, bro. My bad. My bad.
you need a QI or something, a QT, man. You know where you want, yo.
My bad, bro.
So where girl there, dog? Where girl there? The moms around there. The moms them there.
What?
Where girl them there.
I don't speak.
Me say where girl them there, bro. Like where girl, no girl. No Mimi. No girl.
Ooh. No home?
No what?
No host?
Yeah, where the hoes at, bro? Where the hoes at? No girl, no hoes.
Yeah. Everywhere.
Where you one there?
Sorry, bro. I can't understand.
Brother, me talk proper English. Where you a girl there? Where you a girl there?
Okay.
But the nigga, I smile so far. What one joke you with?
What on, bro? What you doing?
The brother just over here say smile like how? I'm tell you, bro.
Yeah.
Waste man. This I was a waste man.
Oh, Naruto.
See there, Naruto man. Me no know shit. Yeah, Naruto, you know, dog. You just supposed to sign there already, man.
What?
You have to play no NBA song, beautiful. You're a killer. You're a killer, man.
Oh, nobody knows.
You look at me like you not to know me, I say. I'm gonna do it. Big game, you know. We have a moms in that place with you. Yo, bro, where you girl there? Where you girl there, you?
What the fuck?
Game there, some man play, bro.
Do you speak English or not?
Brother, man, speak English, brother. Even one mom's one side if you go on most of the job when you have on the game.
You're speaking another language. What the fuck?
That group empty. What kind of style like that? I don't do it, you. Boy, look like a man in my boss out to me do, man. Watch out, him dead, no, until him dead. I'm
Alright, then let's speak.
gonna pick up Bugo to your nose. So pick up Bugo to your nose, you. It's not a look good for your moms, them, bro. Yo, what's
Bro, you the same.
Yo, later, dog. Love your mother still, you see me? Man, them boss out to me again.
Oh shit.
Man, them boss out to you, dude.
Yo, you streaming, bro?
What you say?
Huh?
What?
You streaming?
Brother, you see how I've set up, look like me have a set up, dog.
Suck your fucking mother, you fucking pussy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh yes, man, yeah. You hit a box here free.
Me suck your fucking mother.
Yeah, yeah, what you say, you? Yeah, yeah, what you say? You fool, no. Yes. So yes, man. Work at Colombia, you.
What?
So go back to Colombia. You deaf?
Mulla harrastel
Yeah,
maiste.
that's if you go back to Colombia, man.
Mulla harrastel Jamaican lelestarala.
I talk a language, dog. I talk a language, bro.
I'm trying to mess with you, man. Good one.
You going? Hey, boy, you want to see a bad man? Eh? Big idiot boy, you want to see. Like you look paranoid. You? In Ghana, boy, in Ghana, what you want to call it? What the fuck? Suck your mother, boy. Look like you're retarded.
What the fuck? I just saw like the biggest stud I've ever seen in my whole life, man. This bitch looked like 260 lean.
Yeah. So you go dog, I see it, yeah, man. Mad day, mad pan.
What planet are you fucking on?
Play it, James. Or your mama's tits, bro.
VIP.
Locks in a dog. Like I wear a map play, bro. Yo, that fake dog. I'm sure roll it, bro. That fake boy. That fake brother, what that?
You from Jamaica? Your mother.
So my mother dog, tell me about my mother dog. If you tell me about my mother.
Jamaica.
Well, go on, James. Where are you?
What that lad?
There, dog, I go on, Bill. Where are you?
I can't hear you.
Indian. My brother.
Yo, bro,
What the con?
you sing a song?
Me no see no song. You talk about a song?
Jamaica.
Bro.
Huh?